Let's make the world's cutest little bow. So you need a thin section of hair and you need a hair tie on your finger. We're going to make a loop with this hair. Grab the hair tie on your finger and make it go around the loop. You're going to take your finger, put it inside this loop. Next, hang on to this tail with your hand to make it easier for control. Grab that hair tie, twist it once, move your hand up so you can grab hair from the bottom. I need to grab this tail to create my second loop. There's my second loop. Then you're gonna go ahead and twist this hair tie. Now we're going to eat both loops, and I'm gonna do this twice. Here's my second time. And here's the world's cutest little bow. And in case you don't like this little bow, all you have to do is pull on the hair and your bow vanishes.